Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a tutorial on how to create a calendar. As you all know, we're approaching a new year, which is the 2025 year, and you would like to make a calendar for yourself, or you want to gift it out to people, or perhaps you want to sell a digital calendar 2025. I'm going to be showing us in this video. Then watch to the end. If time doesn't permit me, I would do another video where I will be showing you how you can upload this calendar and sell it as a digital product. Okay, without any further ado, let's get just into the system and let's get started with the tutorials. I have a Canva account. So if you don't have a Canva account, you can always create one. It's absolutely free. So you come to create a design, and we're going to be customizing our design. So 8.26 by 11.69 inches, right, as you can see here. So I'm going to be creating a new design. So this is how it's going to look like, or perhaps you can search for publish as brand template. So I'm going to look for a grid. You come to this, you come to elements, and you search for a grid. I'm going to be putting this, right, and element again, element. I'm going to press this element again, and I'm going to press this. So I'm going to size it down. I'll size this down and increase it to a bit, and I'll change this color to white. So I'm going to grab this the bits like this. I will duplicate again. I'll print this down and I'll make it to my taste. You have to make sure your hand is straight. I'm going to use it a bit. Mm-hmm. So I'll bring it down like this. So I'll come to text. This is my text. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to put January. Let's increase the font. Yeah, this is better. Increase the font like this. And I will duplicate this. And I'm going to put 20. I'll duplicate again. I'll come here. I'm going to put 25. So I'll move this to the page here. Yeah, it's looking good. If I don't like this font, I'm going to change the font. In the font. Yeah, I think it's good like this. Then I can come to effects and choose any of the effect I want. Then choose this. No, I don't know. So let's come to effect for this January. effect. I can take it and change the color. Uh, so I come to effects and I can choose outline, then change the color. I can change it to white or this, any color that suits you. You can play with the color or put it at this, or perhaps I can change it back to white. Then I put the 20 because we're doing a calendar for 2025, right? So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to tables, right? And let me say all. I'm going to be choosing this, right? Um, then I move it to the box here. So if I want to add column, I'll click here. I'm going to add column. I'll make my column 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll add another one, right? So if we come to this page, we're going to add our row and column. I'm mixing it column. We'll make it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll make it 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But before we do this, I'm going to put the Sunday, Monday, days of the week. So I'm going to be adding my days of the week here, Sunday, Monday, up to Saturday. So I'll be right back. So tech lovers, this is it, and I lock this so that it will not be moving, and this too I locked. So now let's arrange this. I'm just going to show you this. We're not going to be using this column for our calendar, but let's spread it around. I'm going to adjust it. So I'm just going to make sure that this line align with the week here, with the days of the week here, Sunday. As you can see, make sure it's aligned. If you want to beautify this column, you can come here and the boxes, if you want it single, you can space it like this, or you return it like this. This is another method. And if you want to space, you can space it. And this one is, if you want to beautify, you click on this column and you come here and you make it look beautiful. Okay, so you can decide to put the numbers in here. We're not going to be using this. I'm going to be showing putting the numbers. I'm going to be putting the numbers on a plain sheet. So keep watching this video. I'm just showing you this method so that we can have multiple methods of creating our calendar. So this is our final result, but I'm not going to be using these boxes. I'm going to delete the box and I'm going to be left with a plain design. That is where I'm going to put my calendar dates. So, and I did like an inspirational quote. I'm going to be putting inspirational quotes on my calendars. So keep watching. So we are going to come back to this design. So you're going to create another new page and you come to templates. Yeah, you come to templates and you choose your desired 2025 calendar. So let's see this. I'm going to delete this and this. Then I will lock this page. I will lock this page. Then group it. So I'm going to group it. Let's click on group. Now I'm going to select the numbers. I will group and copy. So you're going to right click and copy it. So we're going to come to our previous design. I'm going to, because I locked this, I'm going to unlock it and delete it so we can have the plain background. So as you can see, this is our 2025 calendar, and so I'm going to lock the. So I'm going to drag this and I'll bring it here. As you can see, I'll stretch it like this accordingly, and yeah, I'll stretch it like this. I'm going to lock it, but before I ungroup it, I want to increase the size. I'll increase the size. I'll be right back. Let me adjust it and I'll be right back. So I grouped the first one. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change the font of everything and enlarge it to suit our box here. So tech lovers, our calendar is looking good, as you can see. So next thing we're going to do is I asked ChatGPT to give me some inspirational quote for 2025. So I added the quote here. I want to change the font because I want it to rhyme. I want to change the fonts. And I'm going to use this. Yeah. So what's going to happen? I'm going to bring it down a bit. Yes. So for this, I'm going to ungroup it. Because if you don't like the font, you can always change it. So that's what I want to do now. So I'm going to get the first one, right? So I will group it and I'm going to change the font, right? So I'm going to do the remaining to the remaining one. Group, and I'm going to change the font. So our calendar is actually looking good. I'm going to get a lovely picture and I'm going to put it here. Let's see how it's going to look like. And I'm going to also tell you how you're going to design it and turn it into a template if you want to sell this calendar. So if you don't like this number, or you want it some smaller, you can always adjust it here, right? So now I'm going to add this picture, right? And we're going to drag it in here. Wow, our calendar is ready. As you can see, this is our calendar. This is how it's going to look. So now I'm going to show you how you sell your templates with this. I'm going to create or duplicate this page. I'll duplicate this page. So you can design this design, you can bring it up like this. right? And our design is like looks like this. So as you can see, we have design 1. So if we're going to delete this, we're going to have something like this, delete image. So it's going to look like this. You can always put your pictures, and I'm going to duplicate again. So you can do something like this also, right? And you can remove, you delete this, and duplicate, and you can put 2020, right? You increase this, and this is how this is going to look like. You can always put this picture in here. Let's see how it's going to look, right? So this is another design. I'm going to do another one for us to see. Let's duplicate again. So we can as well turn this like this, and you can always change the color of this. Like you can play around with this if you don't want this, but that's another design. But this is what I'm trying to do, trying to fix this color, right? You can always adjust it to your taste. You can play with the color the way you want it, right? And this is the different designs that I have for you, that you can always style your calendar and make it beautiful when you sell it. So we've come to the end of these tutorials. I hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and I hope you're going to be trying this method to create your 2025 calendar, and you can sell it as a digital product. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload it and make money with it. So if you like this video, please kindly subscribe, like and share this video, and please give me a thumbs up so that it encourages me to do more of this video and gives YouTube algorithm to share my video out. See you in my next video, and bye for now. Cheers.